Hey everyone, welcome back to Skillshetra, your go-to hub for everything ethical hacking and CTF walkthroughs. I'm your host Kushal, and today we're diving into the 12th episode of our powerful Hacker101 CTF walkthrough playlist. In this video, we'll be unraveling the secrets of the challenge titled H1 Thermostat. Get ready because this one's all about analyzing an APK, reverse engineering it, and uncovering those sweet flags hidden deep inside the app's code. We'll break it down step by step, from downloading the Android package to decompiling it to exploring the Java source and pulling out the flags in clear text. So whether you're a beginner looking to learn reverse engineering or a seasoned CTF warrior brushing up on skills, you're in for a ride. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump straight into the challenge. Alright, let's dive right into the H1 Thermostat challenge. As soon as we launch the challenge, we are greeted with a message saying your Android APK is building. Please refresh in a few seconds. So, we patiently wait for the APK to compile. After a few moments, we refresh the page and boom, a download link appears labeled Android APK. Go ahead and click that to download the APK file to your system. Now comes the fun part, reverse engineering the app. We head over to an online Java decompiler. You can use something like JAX or APK tool and upload the APK we just downloaded. Let it do its thing while it decompiles the code. Once done, download the decompiled zip file. Now open up Android Studio and import that decompiled project. Navigate to the sources directory, which contains the original Java source code for the APK. Here's where we get to the good stuff. Navigate to the folder com/hacker101/level11 and open the file called payload-request.java. Once the file is open, use Android Studio's built-in search functionality and type in the keyword flag. And just like magic, both flags appear right there in plain text within the code. No fancy decoding, no brute force, just straightforward inspection, and that's it, challenge complete. And just like that, we've cracked open the H1 Thermostat challenge and walked away with both flags in our pocket. We used real-world skills, APK decompilation, source code analysis, and a bit of intuition to uncover the flags in clear text within the app's code. Challenges like these are a brilliant reminder of how vulnerable exposed logic can be, especially in mobile applications. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Skillshetra, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload in our Hacker101 CTF series. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or just want to show some love. Until next time, keep learning, keep hacking ethically, and as always, this is Kushal, signing off from Skillshetra. Peace out.